Hello, hello, namaste, sending you love, light, and gratitude. Let's just sit together and let's remove all the negative energy from our body right now through this magical mantra. So let's just sit together and increase our energies, our individual, collective, interplanetary, cosmic, collective consciousness, universal consciousness. Let's just sit together, relax, connect with our body, mind, and spirit. Allow our spirit to enter, activating all the chakras, aligning, sending love, light, peace. Lots of healing to many souls that are going through rough times right now. Remember why we come here for. Namaste. Enjoy. Let's just share the energies. Enjoy and multiply and bring your energies into our collective consciousness. Yeah, love, light, unconditional love and light. Unconditional without any conditions, zero judgment, zero discrimination. Unconditional love, it's love without conditions. No judgment. All programming. Bring that healing into yourself. Release all the judgment. People need to, if they want to, release it, or that doesn't serve you. Lots of rain coming towards the Amazon, sending all the love, light, and healing, with healing rays of rain, divine rain, justice to all. Planet can recover, it can re-heal. Humanity, planet doesn't need a humanity, yes? Our planet Earth can perfectly survive. Nature is perfectly self-sufficient without humans' influences. Be aware, please. We gotta learn how to live beside the nature, not to pervert it and rape nature, yes? Protect, serve yourself and others. Please be kind and gentle to yourself and to others. Healing to all the beautiful souls to create the divine creations. You are the creators now. Your thoughts, emotions, create the reality of your day. What you focus your mind and yourself and your life energies on, as long as you're experiencing joy and love and light during your day, being part of the crazy competing for money and greed, and that's different living conditions, and that's it's up to you if you want to be part of that creations or not. You have a choice. Transforming all the parts of the ego programming into our higher self, walking the true path of ourselves through following the directions of our higher self, the intentions, all its energy. Your energy, you're just a pure energy. Everything within you is energy, all around is energy. We're just creating physical manifestations. The quote says, You become what you eat. You become who you become surrounded with. All the energies, even food has energies within. What we eat, we create tasks, we create chemical reactions within our body, and it will affect our tasks, our emotions, as well our actions. So internal, external. Love you all and blessings to all of you. Thinking of you all, and may you all have a wonderful life. Excellent job with all the energy work. I see you, I feel you, we see you, we feel you, and my deepest love and gratitude for all your energies that you're investing into yourself and to others. As you heal yourself, each step you're taking in Mother Earth will heal her. So blessings and namaste to you all. Love you all.